We bought this house sight unseen at an auction. The numbers made sense. One problem. Once we opened up the walls, we realized that it's termite damage. No inspection contingency, no second look. Pen and paper, that's it. Done deal.
Auction deals move fast. You don't get a second walkthrough. You make your decision based on limited information, and you live with it. On paper, this deal worked. Purchase price was right, rehab budget was realistic, after repair value supported the margin. It wasn't speculation, it was math. Then we opened the walls. This wasn't cosmetic damage. This was structural. Framing had to be rebuilt. Let's look at the numbers. We purchased the property at $220,000. The rehab was $150,000. Our closing costs for during the buy and the sell is $32,000. Total investment of $402,000. ARV at $450,000, giving us a spread of $48,000. Then demo started. Termites added 20% to the rehab, about $30,000. Then we uncovered a backyard drainage issue, another $10,000. Rehab moved from $150,000 to roughly $190,000. ARV didn't change, it's still around $450,000, which means the spread is basically gone. After holding costs, financing, and time, this deal will lose money.
When you buy at auction, you accept the risks. The risks can be numbers, but you really don't want them to be structural. When they're structural, it's something that you just don't budget.
When you operate multiple projects, you understand this isn't one trade. It's a portfolio. You hope the wins outweigh the losses, but losing money is still losing capital. Nothing glamorous about that. The blows never get easier. You just learn how to absorb them better.
Some deals pay you, some deals test you, but they should never break you. You should always have the discipline and then move on. You learn from your mistakes.